Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might.
Good morning. January 14th, 2026. Always put the date out there so that when people will watch the video, if anybody watches it, so many people, but morning, Michael, that watch it, so at least you know the day that this is trade. Most people out there don't put the date, or hitter, or discuss it. Almost like you got to figure it out. Anyway, I changed my screen up a little bit. I've got the bot suite down below. I'm just going to show my trades up in here, and Gunslinger still got his coveted spot for now. But that's just going to be me. Still got this TCS took trade this morning. Didn't really count because I changed the time on it, but still took one. But other than that, we're starting from zero. Only TCS, Gunslinger, and MrFibsTrades. Because I have to put the bot suite temporarily on Fib so he can show up here. Anyway, a little bit of selling overnight. PPI data this morning. Oops. See. Where's my bot suite? There we go. All right, so we had core retail sales, PPI. Later today, we will have say 9:30 or 9:50 FOM members. Paulson speaks. 10 o'clock. We got business inventories, existing home sales. Also at 10, Moran's FOMC member Moran speaks. 10:30 crude oil. You got another FOMC member speaking. Boston speaks, and Kashkari speaks. Beige book at 2. That's a big one. Well, it used to be. I don't know if it still is. And you got somebody else speaking. Williams speaks at 2:10. So, yep, everybody's out today. Guess they need to either ramp the markets up or bring them down. So that's it. I will still be playing the pre-2 market high. He's going to be showing here. And then after that, I'll probably switch him over to the suite again account. Go up here. This won't show up here. So just trying something different. Change it up a little bit. All right. Oh, stream element. Ooh, that. All right. All right. So we had some sell-off going off. We're down 150 points on NASDAQ. Let's look at the 15-minute chart real quick. And yeah, I wouldn't get too bullish till probably we get past this. So more aggressive line could be something like this. But we get above the bull zone and we're going up anyway. So we get above there, we could come up and maybe test that. I don't know, it could just be say la vie and come on down. We are below yesterday's low. The prior day low is 632. Maybe that's a point of interest. Then you got a couple of lows down here. So we have 632 and then around 615. So could be get some support down here, I would think. So, okay. So bulls last stand, a couple targets. I should probably point those out. A couple targets is bear target 1 at 25,687. And then bull target 2 or bear target 2 at 25,656. To point interest. Okay, side panel. For some reason it's working today. I don't know. This is ES. You see we're kind of just, we're below the all-time highs. Oh, we're open. Wow. Okay, get back to here then. Yeah, we're open. All right, we got one target and lost the other one. Yeah, I hate when that sneaks up on me like that. Okay. Sometimes it happens. Thought I had plenty of time. It's why I put clocks on everything. I put right up here, I put clocks. So I'm just going to sit on my hands here. I kind of did some reflection yesterday after a horrible performance. No, I could do better. Let me just sit on my hands, wait for this first 5 minutes to close. There's 15 and 20 off the low, off that 2-minute pre-market low. Oh, going down. Right now I have no trades on. Low 732 would have been a good one. That was the low. That was a 15-minute low, 3 candles. That's why we're getting such a big move. All right, we came down to bear target 1. We already hit it. Around 687. Coming down to 656, which is bear target 2 times bear target 1. Again, I am waiting. London high 25,879 and London low 25,835. We're a couple hundred points. 835, we're about 150 points below that. Let me go to it. All right, looking for a little stutter step, see if we can get one. 1 minute. 2 minutes playing out about the same thing. Okay, so we got one green candle, working on another. Oh, big move up to 14.15. If we come back below 700, I'd go short. Oh, but we're not going to. I'm going to on my hands. And get in. 732 would have been the perfect place. But we're getting a little bullish, little 1 minute. On my hands here. Go. Oh, come on. Give it to me. Come on. Going to give it to me. Oh, one off just because reduce my risk load. Did that piss poor. Take that one. Well, he got 50 points, what it's telling me. So 15 plus 35. I didn't do that good. 50. 80. Half of it. Okay, so let's see, we're back. Should be the back above the 20, coming back to retest it. I'm going to buy one right here if we get there. Stop back below. I'm going to go up to London. Oh, got me. Okay, we're coming down, I guess. Oh, came up to VWAP, rejected. Black below 32. That trigger 32. If I can get something going. That's going. We got 8 minutes on this 15. Sell signals there. We drop back below 700. Try that. 656. All right. Still waiting for a drop. I guess that. Oh, there we go. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna sit on my hands here, wait for a. I'm gonna wait for a break below 667 or a break above 780. I worked on a little strategy this morning, and it's 6 trades, 5 wins, 1 loss. So try it out. Gunslinger's on hold. He's waiting. He's not on hold. He's just waiting for setup. Couple strong bars. And I will be shooting for 20 and 40 points. 667, target 647. Oh, there it goes. Damn it. Wasn't ready. I wasn't waiting. Right. Sat up there. Expecting it that fast. All right. Took one off. I'm going to go to break even. What would be break? Entry should have been 68. 28. The low 28.25. All right, so we're past bear target 2 at 56. I try to be patient and take this one off here at, what I'm going to do is put this down at my target 3. If we get to target 2, I'll go to target 1. Stop. And I'll just kind of play it that way. If I can play it down. Stop is going to be 49. We can get to target 2. Target 2 is about 29. 629. Okay, 54 seconds. So this little strategy now is 7 trades with 6 wins and 1 loss. I just wish I could have got it up there at 67, 10 points higher. All right, there's target 2. I'm going to target 1. Looking for target 3 down here. Wait. I'll lock up. I'll see if I can lock in 28 as soon as I can. I'll probably go to 40 here. Getting ready to close the. Take out the low. Okay. All right, so far this little as I get better or more comfortable with this strategy, I'll keep playing it, or I'll play it a little stronger. Basically, it's a 5-minute strategy, a 5-minute candle. Sometimes you got to be willing to take some pretty big stops, though. So I cut mine off at 30. Okay, so here I'll just go ahead and show it, share it. While we're waiting for this little retracement. So basically I highlighted the 5-minute candle. This is the 5-minute candle, full wick. And the green dot, the red dots are 20, 40, and 60 points. And the white dots are 30 points. So if we go long or if we go short, there's target 1. That's what I was calling out at 48, 28, 08. And if you go long, same thing, 20, 40, 60 with the 30-point stop. So I tested it from the 6th, 7th, 8th, just a little small 1 week. I'll have to do a little more study on it, but it's just a 5-minute thing. But I'm just trying to figure out point-wise. What's the best amount of points to, how many contracts, what's the win rate, right? Sometimes you got to be willing to take 30 points. So if I play 3 contracts, the worst I'll do is I'll lose $360. Well, 360 plus slippage, so let's call it $400. The best I'll do is 720, so it's almost a 2-to-1, not quite. if you hit all three targets. Obviously, there's days where I only got 20 points, so $120. But something just to put a little, something on my screen, just to say, hey, be prepared, watch for this. Obviously, I didn't think we were going to come down that fast. All right, so opening range lows in. Right there, 620. And the highs in. MTC. Sweet. Play the 5 and 15. Took that 668 right. Okay, so what we did is we came down at 65 would have been probably a good entry. So we got a little, another little flag right here, potential. Some people will take that short right there at 48.75. I don't know if I like that or not. Came right to the 5-minute 668 to that 5-minute thing and dive down 30 points now. Biscuit eater. All right, let's make a move up. See if I can catch it back up here at 48 roughly for a continuation. Come on, a little higher. I'm going to get jump in right. Good boy. Not getting any. Spinning my. Grab me. All right, we're down 275. At Paulson, I'm seeking greater clarity on what's driving the job market. Baseline economic outlook is pretty benign. Cautiously optimistic on inflation moving back to target. Says inflation should be about 2% by end of year. See further rate cuts later if forecast met. Market probably didn't like. All right, see if we just go sideways. All right, we're at 622. I'm going to try a little short there from opening right low. Try to give it a little bit of space. See if I can catch it down to 93 there. Go 93. Let's go to. All right, let's. Oh, fuck. Wow. Well, not much I can do about the 20-point fucking shot up. Son of a bitch. Can't play that. From 20 to 56. And then back down. ATR is 40 right now on the 5-minute. Almost 30 on the 1-minute. Why? So give it 30 points, right? 30, 0. Quick little scalp. Just playing the ATR. Started at 30. Tried to get out close to 0 as I could. All right, the prior 15-minute was 618. $30 down to 0 again. See if I can catch it to 93. Get there. 2.5 minutes to go. Well, there's my 60-pointer tagged out at 6:08:25. Got 2 minutes on this 15. I'd like to, if we can get back down to around 600, I'll take this off. I don't know if we can. Go 3. I definitely want to be out before this 15-minute candle closes. All right. That'll give me something here. We get down to 93 would have worked. Not very good this morning. All right. What do I have? Hot sweet still waiting for 5 or 15-minute inside candle. The last trade, SimTCS, was at 739. It took 11 and 21 points. That's why he's went from minus $100 down to about 13. And he won't take another trade till we move back up, but we're just plunging down here. So not much for me to do. Just got to wait for a pullback. No pullback, no play. Around here while I'm waiting. Going to be more responsible. Not much for you to do. I got to wait for a move back up to the 21 EMA or in the 5-minute 20 EMA. If I can get a little bit of music going in the background. Dream Element. OBS. Dashboard. if I can get a move back up, then I can do something. Otherwise, get on my hands. Michael, what do you think? We've just taken the road down. Oh, oh, maybe we're going to get a move back up now. Let's see. Watch the 2-minute chart. All I'm going to watch for initially is a move back above 569. We've gotten a little bit stretched out here. 70. Ooh, almost took that. Okay, we got a gap fill at 81. Possibility. Come on, go. Push it. Push it hard. That's the one. Something above 81 there. Oops, missed it. Let's see if I can get any. 81, where do I want to go? Opening range low? Now let's just go with the 21 EMA first of all. A smaller target. Come on, stay up there. Pick me up. Oh, there. 81. I'll still try that again. Oh, maybe I better not have. I gotta open up my I'll be right back. All right. Got a little warm in here. There we go. What to do, what to do. Michael, you still here? So tempted here. Just for a little reversal, you know? A little come back to the mean type thing. But the smart play is to take the shorts. Yeah, just like that, fucker. Okay. It'll be a big stop for me. Little counter trend trade. 5 minutes, what we're doing. Yeah, 4 minutes left. This could have just been a little punch down. 15 minutes, got 4 minutes left. I'm not too thrilled on that candle though. So I will reduce my risk here now. And too late. $346 on the 15. Kind of playing with fire. Come on, fly up there. I'm going to shoot for that 20 EMA if I can. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Beautiful trade. That's what I wanted. So, on the 2 minute, yeah. Now it's a tough trade. Now it's a tough trade. Go to a 2 minute here. Okay, so ideally what I'd like to see, maybe we may get a squeeze here too. All right, so we're above that 20. Oh, there's the long right there at 642. If we can get another one. Lightning in a bottle. Goal would be to get closer up there to the give it all back. No, I'm going to stay behind the 20 EMA. And then the goal will be, fucker, give it all back. The goal will be to get up to that 5 minute 20 EMA. So what would that be? We're almost got there anyway. So 81? Yeah. Yeah, it was a good long. I should have kept in there. Damn it. Okay, so 15-minute long would be above 674. TCS finally had enough momentum there to get up. Well, enough up move to get them to take a long. Hopefully there's still enough play in it. Otherwise, oh yeah, 100-point move. Not going to take that. I think 50 will be my max. But 33 and 64, so 97 points if he can get there. His first target is 692. I'd probably be happy with 81 there. In fact, I'm going to take one off there. Right around 80. Okay, take one off there. I'm going to go to break even. Oh, almost got it. Perfect. All right, TCS took target one, went to break even. It's up at 65 points, so it's done for the day. I didn't quite get 65 total, but well. All right, so we came up to the 5-minute 20 EMA. And see what happens if we see what happens. Either way. So I need a bar timer. Oh, am I down 100? All right. So we came up to the 20 EMA, coming back down. I will take 2 contracts at the low of 646 if we come down there. Now it's a little dangerous because we are at the 20. That is, oh, I want to do a sell right around there. And we're kind of in between. Let me set this guy correctly. He should be at 50 for a 2-minute. There you go. It came up to the 5-minute 20. Now if we drop back below, actually I could just take it short right there. I should have 75. I'll just give it a shot. I'll get rid of that. Oh, wow, that was quick. But I'm going to go back in. My stop should be right there. Ooh, 371. Okay, so 15. In. All right, we got a new 15-minute, which is bullish. So I'm actually going to be a little careful on this. Need to be careful. Come on down. Let's see if I can get a little bit of a move down. I'll take one off. Come on. A little more than that. No, I wanted something. About all I got. Something. Yeah, what I don't like is the 15-minute. It's a new candle. Really hasn't done anything yet. What I didn't like. So I'm glad I at least took one off. Technically, we have a long there from 77. Okay, so 2 minutes. So still shorts in play at 655. Got to play my game. My bread and butter. Okay, we came down to that 20 EMA, 21 EMA. Got to break it. Come on. Give it to me. Down to 32. I don't like that. Come on, baby. Drop her down. Drop below bear target 2. Yeah. Long. Like there's still more upside to go. Okay, we're fighting that 5-minute 20 EMA. A nice little 5-minute gap fill right there from 592 down to 657. $25.95. Trade scene waiting close back. 692.50 and 693.50. Would have taken me out anyway. Our target 2 is holding support at 25,656. Also the 21 E holding court there, 45, 46. You can see we're just kind of in between the two, playing a little ping pong. I take the short below 40. Good. We're also at the 5-minute low at 668. Got a few things going on there. Got chopped up in there. Four minutes left on this 15-minute candle. We're down 250. U.S. tells personnel in Saudi Arabia to exercise caution. That is. All right, so far we're holding court over the 21 EMA. Oh, I'm sorry. I tried to get that off. 641 entry, what are you talking about? How long we spoke about yesterday. 641 entry. Yep, that is correct. I took it, I just got stopped out. I couldn't hold that stop. Thought I turned off my mic when I coughed, I'm sorry. I coughed right into it. That short would have worked too. I just wasn't patient enough. Entry at 56. All right, my next entry potentially could be once we drop below the 21 EMA. Took out low, broke previous structure move up. Yep, gave 40 points. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm with you now. Yep. All right, you got a new 15 coming. You got Gunslinger taking a trade. Gunslinger almost got it. Usually I like to take those off if they get that close. Come on, guy. Took it off, even if it gets there. Oh, what happened? Oh, he took it on the wrong. Oh, hey, Gunslinger. What happened on the last one? Okay, 617. Where am I in? 617. I'm out on 535. I don't know if we can get that low, but yep, Michael, I see everything you're saying. I didn't have the WMA on there, which the 25-minute and the 1 minute weighted, they're pretty closely aligned. So I didn't have it on my chart because I thought about it yesterday and then I forgot. So then this morning I didn't have it on my chart. Now I have it on my chart. I'll be really pissed you come back up and take me all the way out. Should have added there. possible up and all the way up. Really don't want to go back up. Rather take profit here. At least take some. Get as much as I wanted. All right, we got 9 minutes left on the 15. What the fives are doing. Really need the 5 to come down and break down below 574. Probably want to be up here. Stop. The 607, probably 602 would be a good stop. Oh, come on. Five-minute gap fill. Try for 10 off. $81. Come on, get back down. Fighting it out at 600. Bulls are trying to win it. Big 5-minute gap fill above that. Okay. Gonna have to quit here. Okay, so that was a bull gap, bullish gap we just filled. Five-minute bullish gap. Bottom was at 592. Gotta watch the long year. You did. Taking that off. Took your 612, 586. Okay, move back above the 21 EMA. If that closes above that 21 EMA. This might just be Chop City for the rest of the day. We're up down 300 points. Another shitty day. Two minutes left on the 15. 250. Drop below a cloud. I'm going to take a port here. 590. $62. 560. Take one off at 560. Oh. And you're down there at 531. I'm at 530. prior lows about 530. Target there. Lock in. Come on, get up there. Get back up to 580. See if I can get one off at 41. Let's go. Oh, beautiful. Get a new low. Came down, hit IB. Probably get out. The IB's at 530. See if we can get 30 points. Go to like if we can stay there, see if IB will take us down. Come on, baby. Flush it on down. Give me 50. That's my usual target for IB. 50 points. I'm just looking at 30. Come back down, I'll take it again. Oh, missed it. Damn you. Now it's going to. Okay, there's 10. 510 is 20. Let's go. Give me 510. 510, there's 20. Finger's taking another one. Needs 584, 485. Let's go. I'll go for 493. If we can get down to 500, I'll lock in the 510. If I get it. Oh, here we go. There we go. All right, good trade. Just about made up all my sloppy bullshit trading. Okay, TCS. All right. Right. Oh, Gunslinger gonna try another one. Down at the lows. What are you doing? See if he can get it. 25.75 points. Oh, he should be done anyway. I'm gonna lock him in. He doesn't need any more. All right. I don't know what I have him set for, so, and I don't want to look. So he's at 79. What was that entry? 85. Still got 9 minutes left on the 15. We could still go down further. Try a short there. Target was 457. If we can get a move up like that. Problem is he had a pretty good stop. Stop is at 507. I'm gonna lock in just so I can yeah, there. Oh, couldn't get in. $58. He wanted 57. I'll come up a couple points. Come on, Momo, let's go. Just got to get to 65. If I can get to 65, I'd take it off. 74 now. We can get down. Come on, baby. Need one little flush down. Nope. That's what I was afraid of. Afraid's probably the wrong word. The 15 minutes, got 6 minutes left. What's up, Ravine? Morning. Okay. Yeah. Been a tough, well, it's, you know, depends on how you look at it. I couldn't do anything right this morning. Yeah, high volatility. I just couldn't do anything right. What was I down 1,200 or something? All right, we're getting ready for the 5-minute close. Which means 5 minutes left on the 15, which means we could get another little push down here. Unless we get like a little reversal candle here. 83, probably the right inch. Come on, go back up. 10 seconds left. 5-minute long above 99. All right, he took the stop. Good, he's done. So 15 minutes, got 4 minutes left. No decision on tariffs that I've seen. I think I saw a little news flash that said that the judges have not ruled yet. Supreme Court did not make a decision. Okay, we got up to 514. Move down there. No, there was things saying they were not going to make a decision today, what I read. I don't have it right now. It looks like it already passed it. Come on, back down. Come on, 15 minute. Let's see, 3 minutes left on the 15. See if we can get one more little push down. Yeah, I just couldn't stand that. We could still get a push down though, that's the thing. I like the push. Slowly getting chopped up here. All right, if we get back below 93, that's kind of my number. Two minutes left on the 15. 450 to enter long. Okay. Yeah, I was looking for a move down to what is it? Right here. This guy's this target right here, 457. But got a minute, 2 minutes to do it. Come on, give it to me. Love chop right here. Do the stop up there at 14. There we go. Oh. Come on. One more time. No, maybe that's it. Minute 4 left. Get one more push down, one last minute on the 15. Oh, that's it. Probably doing the last 30 seconds or something. Above the cloud on the 2 minute. Little wave cloud I got. We haven't made the turn over to flip it yet. There's the first buy signal, but we need a big candle on this one, or at least a green one. This 15 minutes, a brand new 15. I'd say a short below 90. Try one more time. Below 90, I'd take it. Come on, let's get a move down. Not, I'm going to get out and lost $300 there. Let me do that. All right, we're in a little range here. Right at the top of that range. Why not take the short? Fucking wait. Bottom. I'd be happy with both of those contacts. That in a box. Problem is the box. Right where I want to take target would be the bottom or close to it. So I got a buy signal. I'll let this one play out. Okay, we got a 5-minute gap fill at 5:48. Important. Not bad. Previous wick there at 5:30. Probably should have listened to that bicycle. Make it up to the 21 EMA is the question. 46. Yeah, what I was trying to catch. Couldn't get there. I forgot that. Come on, let's do it. Fuckers. Try to get out. 700. How do you trade, Ravine? You from Portugal or do you live in Portugal? Both. Okay. You're long at 95? Yeah, but what kind of system do you trade? Why would you go long there? Came down and ticked it. More buys than sales. Yeah, I've got a buy signal that started at 10:58. Well, really 11 o'clock. Doesn't mean we can't come down further, right? It's just like your system, right? I mean, doesn't mean we can't continue to come down. It just means we're getting closer to a bottom, potential bottom. Yeah, yeah, yep, I understand. Okay, thank you. I always like to know, when people make a call out, I'd like to know, okay, well, how are you trading it? What makes you think that? I mean, I'm good with it. And I'm good with the 95. In hindsight, we're going to look back and say, man, 95 was a great buy. I'll take one right here. 501. Put my stop down here. Shoot for top of there. So 546. 530 is the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA. Ideally, I'd like to get it all the way up here. Yeah. No, I understand. I'm with you. What I'm saying, there's potential. I mean, I'm getting a buy signal on a wave system I've got. And it's a wave, meaning that's just calculated moving averages. They're a little different. Additional math on some moving. And they're saying they're giving a green wave a buy signal. There's potential. Doesn't mean we can't reverse, and it can go back to a sell real quick too, right? Like you're saying. We can do oversold for a while. Like all systems. It's just a tool. All right, so we're not really going anywhere. Something else. Nope. $503. Quite a bit. Calculate. A lot more points than I can get. That's what I was saying earlier. We just may go sideways here, right? We're down 400 points. Yep. Oh. Okay, we got a 5-minute inside play. That short comes about at 86. $86, and that would be 66. I'll give it a shot. I think I have. Bot. No. Oh, it's a 15-minute? Yeah, you're right. It's 15 minutes. My fault. Yep. So 15-minute, there's a 15-minute inside bar, which we could go either way, right? Even though it's shorts are only, I would take the long at 537. This is what I do a lot of times. I'll do something like that. A long and the short of it, I always call it. There's a ravine, came down to 90. That would have been a good entry. Yeah, no problem. That's the way I took it. Whatever, I don't know what you were saying exactly, but that's what I said. I thought it was an inside bar 15-minute. So the entry's up at 536. $536.50. Look for 20 points. $536.50. That would be 56.7. Got to get above the 21 EMA first. Which I would play that too, right? If we close above this 21 EMA, right here, got 21 seconds. So if we close above it, then I would take the wick high, whatever the high is, I would take that long. I'll get rid of this for right now. Good long there, Ravine. Hopefully you took it. Not sure why I didn't get the call out. Okay, so there was the long. Damn it, probably could have taken another one. 535. Come on down. Take one up to the next one. I'll take one off there. We got the 1 minute weighted right there. We just tagged it. I'm going to go to cover. And I'm going to go a little bit higher. Could get a little squeeze here, so take it on up to 600. Okay, back below the 1 minute weighted, which is never a good thing. $61. Got to get back above that 1 minute weighted, which is right around 61. Just keep inching up here. We can get back up to VWAP. That'd be all right, we closed above the 1 minute weighted. Now it'll be all about, can we stay above it? If we can't, potentially a good short opportunity. I'm going to kick it on up there to 59. At least I got 24 wrapped up. Now I'll just play, you know, ideally, really I should play something like this. Play each 2-minute candle low instead of playing the 1-minute candle low. Taken out there. All right, so now you can get a 1-minute 40 pointer, so potentially 560. We could see how this candle ends up. 560 down to 520. Unless it closes back above. In case they're just playing game. Yep. See if I can. Where do I want to go? Ideally, I want to get. People got bullish right around 593 up to 655 earlier. We have a small little gap here. 5-minute gap fill, sell gap from right here, 570 up to 582. Gotta get through. 534. That's 6 points from that. All right, so we got to get above 581 here. That's also the 5-minute 20 EMA is right around 75, 77. Get above that and close, that's another bullish sign. Irvine, you still in? What about you? Are you in? You take profit already? Done for the day? Yeah. That's all right. Well, the train always comes around, or the bus stop. You can always sit at the next bus stop and wait. I keep yelling out the back window, you telling Michael, Michael, get off the bus stop. The bus is here. I'm joking, Mike. I know you're not feeling well today. Hopefully you get better. All right, we went through that gap. I'd like to see a close above that 20 EMA right there at 76. We closed above it. All right, I'm gonna try one more time. I do want to try to get up to VWAP. I'm going to try to give it a little more. All right, see if we can get above the 693, 593 area. That's a area where we had a little Momo last time we got through there. all the way up to 650. The brand new 5, brand new 15. 15-minute long is right here at 588. So if we're going to get bullish, let's get it. But since we are a brand new candle, there's to be played first. To get above this 592.25 area, stopping us. Oh, baby, get up there. Five-minute gap fill was pretty much filled on 569, 579, 10 points, which we got. We come back above, I would try it again. Dropping back below that gap at 570, which technically is bearish. If we get back below 548, then that would be a short. And if we come back above that 20 moving average, I would go long on the 5-minute. This yellow line right here. Technically, but I've taken it short right here. Yeah. Farther away from it. Okay, we're below the 1-minute weighted now. Oh, big pop up. Short too. I'm glad I didn't. Trying to close a gap, 1-minute gap, 573. 569 might be close enough. We get back below the 1-minute weighted, I will gladly take that. 1-minute weighted moving average, about 557. $40 points down from 557. We get there. Oh, I got taken out. I was sitting there looking for my stop target. Still like that play. I think we can get down there and close. 17 target. 550, 540. Okay, 517 is my target. I'm going to just drop this guy down. Go further. In case we get a flush. Minute. Could get a move back up, so we're going to leave this sell gap. $551. Please lock in. 30 and up. Come on, move up. Fill that gap up. Like a move back up to around 552, so -5, so about 548. Somewhere in there. Get that. So did we get to 517? We got to 519. Didn't quite get the 40 point, 1 minute 40 point. Pretty close. 1 minute 38. Maybe that's what I need to call it. No, it's a 40 point. Oops. That's it. I entered, came up, retested the 1 minute weighted. Now we'll see if come on, let's go. Get to, I don't know, what's our ATR? 17, so I need to get hopefully down to 30 and then I'll go to break even. Back in. $47 versus 54. Gave up 7. Oh, stay in. I got a sell signal. Open loud. I'll shift my strategy a little bit. In 50. 45, 35. Come on, let's go. Shifted over to a 10-15 indicator ATM. Missed it by a couple points. Ah, you fucker. You sucker fish. One more time. Come on, just drop down. Give me 10. There we go. Got 10. Good. I'll drop down. I'll drop down. See, 36, 26, so 15. Need at least to 20. If I can get 20. Sorry, on global. Okay, 517 was the original 40-point move. Let's see if we can take out the lows. Oh. Potential targets is right there at 15. Hit it. Be right there would probably be better at 13. Flush down through that. $98 might be a stopping point. 1, and then we can get. Okay, 1 minute gap is filled. That IB. Yep. 930 is IB. Kind of hide behind that right now. $15 points. Two fib retracement, huh? It was from high of the opening. Yeah, usually when I do my fib retracements, Ravine, I usually go from opening, right? So session high. Session low. Go perfect 38.2. So where would I look for a placement down to? Let's add one real quick. Add 11.8. Add the minus 11. I don't know which one this is. Save that. So here's the midpoint between here and here, the 50%. That's what I usually look for to see if maybe we're going to hold there. Okay, so that would have been 507. Not done yet. It still hold there at 507. What I will do is put my stop. Oh, Oh, whoa. There's 507, so there's the hold. So what I would look for is, okay, so now we know that. I'm going to just delete this, right? Just get it out of the way. And then I'm going to go and get my fibs again, just so it's not in the way. I'm going to go from the low to the high, right? And 507 was our number, right? Kind of like in between, right? So here's the 78.6, so that's another place we could hold up here at 495, but it doesn't look like we're going to. So I'm almost at break even now. I mean, I've been down, I don't know, greater than 1200, then back to 1200, or I'm almost to break even, then back to 1200, and like I'm going to come out of this with a little bit of green, I'm hoping. And I'll just take profit right there. I don't give a, right? I mean, I'm up 50 points right now. I'll probably try to lock in 50. So I'm in at 37. Would be about 87, I guess. Oh, missed it. 89. We come back down, I'll try to get it. Nope. That's too sad. And I'm down 24 bucks. Eh, you fuck. All right, there you go. So you can see we might hold here. All right, so now let's go back to the other one. So I always just keep in mind, okay, 95, that's my number. 95 to 78.6, so fib retracements. Do it again. Okay, so we blew past that. So now I feel comfortable about taking out the low. And maybe coming down to your 50 area that you were looking for. I'm not sure why you were looking for that 50 area. We wanted 95. And typically, I only use the 5-minute chart to hold. So the 5-minute chart is my chart to say it rules Fibonacci's. Okay. So right now, if we don't hold 495 on the 5-minute and close above it, then we're going to go lower. Right. So right now I'm looking at a break low of today's low, right, of 469. Pretty good chance we're going to go down and take it out. I would even, fuck it, let's see it. And I'll just look for a couple points. Might get lucky here. Okay, there you go. 430, huh? Couldn't remember what targets I said this morning. Well, we already hit them. 579. Next one is 521. Below that. Next one is probably what you said. Is 412 area, 450. That low. $406.50. Come on, baby, give it to me. There you go. Well, we took out that. Get much out of that. Oh. Okay, so this is another thing to think about here too, is look at the daily chart. Hold on. See all that. Not that there was anything good to see there. Here we go. So yeah, we broke that trend line. Look at that trend line. once, twice, well, once, twice. So it was a decent trend line. 3 points connecting. We failed that. So next point down would be this guy, this low here. That's the number I just gave you, which is 406.50. Oh, damn it. We lost that. And should have stayed in that. All right, target 422. Pretty close to your 430. We're at 447, 445. Dropping like a rock. Trying to look for a place I can get in. But you need at least a green candle to go off of. Okay, we got 7 minutes on this 15. About 5. 5 minute, we got 2.5 minutes, 2 minutes 50 seconds, so there still could be some more downside. We can move up a little bit further. It'd be nicer if we could get up to about 461. Close that gap out. We got another gap above it, maybe even a little higher. We can go up and test 464. That would be cool. We only got to 56. I really don't want to get hit here. 7 minutes left on the 15. What kind of screen? What do you want? So you can see it? Something like that. I can make it so it stays in the middle. Watch it. Let's just try this for a little while. Oh, I can. Wrong one. Is that what you want? Like up in the middle? How's that? Again, what do you mean by changing the screen? Yeah, I'd like to get up to right here on the 1 minute. That's a 1 minute gap. 1 minute gap is actually right here at 463, 464. Right now we got 2 green ones. Change your trading screen. What do you want it to change to? 2 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute? Is that what you're talking about? Oh, sorry. How about that? That's what you're talking about. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. My fault. Sorry about that. I don't get to see what you guys see. I get to only see what, my deal's down there. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. All right, I still would like to get up there to 463. I probably could have taken 461. Right now we have 1, 2, 3 greens, which is usually my little number. Come on, take out the low. You can take out the low there. Oh, come on, no double bottom. Oh, that. Buy stop. Yeah, I messed that up. Sorry about that. All right, there's that gap test there at 464. 1 minute. I'd like to take it out up to 473. Kind of weak. My short entry would have to be right here at 46. Let me go back to this. Bottom kick me. Go back. Up and down. Up and well, Okay, come on up to 473. I actually did not want to get hit there. I wanted to come up to 473 first. But we got more than 50% of it. Sell gap. Come on. Now you close the gap. Stay behind. Got to move up. Oh. See if we can come down to the 38 too. All right, 8 minutes left on the 15. You have another buy signal. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll lick my wound. Ravine, did you get long there? 39? Probably close enough. Okay. I got a little buy signal, a little wave changeover, probably. Oh, I'll be right back. All right. Got taken out of that one too, yeah. Video, where you? All right. That was a good long signal. Right around 561. Probably where it flipped. You could have gotten it down there at 441. I can't go long unless we break up above this guy, just like we did here. I'll do it again. So if we can break above the 21 EMA, close, and then get above that wick. So that's what I'm gonna switch this guy now to a 2-minute chart. I'm starting to get my tools back. Had to do my backup a while ago, and I forgot some of these tools. Next 1-minute gap up there is a 504. $15 minutes, got 6 left. So if we can close this above that 21 EMA, I'm feeling a little better. 2 minutes. 60. Oh, we got the 1-minute weighted right around 5:15. Okay, 43 seconds for this candle to close. Wait. Enter 453. That's where you entered at 453? Good enter. Okay. So we're going to close here. That's good. Now my long be 504, worth about 10 points. Okay, we're going to come back and retest that. I'm going to try a long right there. Got to stay above that. All right. Wanted to be right there at 92. I should have re-entered. You can still do it, it says. Here, try this. We're down 415, so I'm going to keep my longs small and my shorts, I'll try to get a little bigger. I'll play twos for when I'm shorting. Now move up above the 21 and back down. You guys, look at that. What's our 23 points? So 500 down to 83. Yeah, look at that. I got to play the ATR. That's what I have to do. Play the ATR, right? We opened at 500, so the ATR right now is 24. So if I open up 500, easy math is 76. Right? I had my stop at 84, 85, and I got hit. All right, so we have a 1 minute gap here at 505 up to 513. So I'm gonna try for the top of that gap fill for a stop, and then a 5 minute gap fill up to 511. Another one up there at 514, which is why I usually don't like these on my chart, because they make you not want to take it. Back to the 1 minute, less red on the screen. Okay, 498. So we're still below the 500. We need to push up. All right, 2 minute chart, and I take a long right here at 503. That's within my trade plan. That little 497 probably wasn't the most ideal. Well, it wasn't really within my trade. This guy is. All right, we just came and hit the bottom of that 1 minute gap fill at 505. Okay, so again, we're in at 498 minus 24. Let's call it 25 to make it math. So 75, 73 is my stop. I'm just going to hide behind that 21. Two-minute ATR is 2.5. "31 seconds left on the 15-minute. So the 15-minute could, the long 15-minute long is 505. So we could get some good energy up, going up. Unfortunately, we can come down to those, right? So yeah, they can play their little games. Stopped out here. Oh, there's a new 15-minute. I'm trying to get long. Not cooperating with. Watch this. Taking that 73 stop. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. Oops. I'll be right back. Okay. Back. I think I'm back. Back, yeah. Or I don't want to be back. No, that fucking stop. Ouch. All right, we came up and hit that prior gap at 5:05, the 1 minute gap, and then proceeded to take a 25-point stop. Why long? In front of those. Got a couple more things in me. Got a 1 minute gap down here at 465 bottom fill. We're already halfway through the top. We did come back through the 21 EMA. Short was, see that, 484. Now, see, this is the shit I should be watching. I don't know why. We're bearish, and we came above the 21 EMA. Your short is now right there. Right? I mean, that's the play. You take the long here, so okay, that's fine. You take the long, you take your stop, you take your 10-point stop. I got long, yep. Take your stop, and then you take the long right here. You just jump in. Don't even think about it. Now I got obstacle. All right, we just closed the buy gap, 1 minute. I'm going to jump in there. Fuck.
Inside bar, entry.
That was another 15-minute inside bar. Made a new low. $18 seconds. You see, that's why you take that. Right? That was a good trade there from 483, almost 50-pointer. I got nothing to hook on to. Nothing to hook on to. Yep, got to 435.50. Eight minutes left on the 15. Four 443 was the inside 15 support. Second one. 443. Okay, I gotta stop. We're already at 12:30. Before I get on tilt. And it's just a crappy time to be trading. We're down 440. See if I can make some up in the afternoon. I'll wait till at least one or two. Go from there. Another day, another dollar. Well, in this case, I give some dollars back. Way too many trades. Just way too. Can't stop. Addicted. All right. Ciao. Good luck today. Good luck, Ravine. Hope you get your 430. Go for the long. The V.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers Fibonacci.